This is Joe from YoChicago.com. I'm in downtown Mount Prospect, looking at a Metra train that will take you downtown in about 33 minutes at rush hour. Panning around for a look at the scene here. Starbucks directly across the street, the Oberweis Dairy next door to it. Variety of shops and restaurants. And I'm headed 2 short blocks north for a walk through one of the apartments at the all-new 10 North Main. I'm in apartment 408, looking east over the balcony on Main Street. It's a bright, fresh-looking apartment. A lot of space in the living dining area. It's a 2-bedroom, 2-bath with high ceilings and plank flooring extending throughout the apartment. Looking at the kitchen, it has a wide breakfast bar island. Easily seats 4. There's a deep, wide undermount stainless steel sink, gooseneck faucet with a spray attachment, white quartz counters. Stainless steel appliance package includes a side-by-side refrigerator freezer with ice and water in the door. It's a 4-burner gas range, built-in microwave and dishwasher, a white tile backsplash, under cabinet lighting, a lot of storage space in the kitchen cabinets. You have cabinets in the island and 42-inch upper cabinets. It's pendant lighting above the island. Coat closet off to my right. Looking at the front door, the guest bath is off to your right as you would have entered the apartment. I'll come back to that. Full-size stacked washer dryer. Turning into the master/primary bedroom. It's a really large room. Plenty of space for any size bedding. You can put a California king in here and additional furniture and nightstands. And even a home office desk. There's a walk-through closet with hanging and shelving space on both sides as you head into the bath. Walk-in shower, linen closet, double bowl vanity with a quartz counter and undermount sinks, and lighting framing the vanity with mirror. Great separation of the bedrooms here. They're on opposite sides of the apartment. Second bedroom is also unusually large. Can also accommodate any size bedding and additional furniture. Again, you have a walk-through closet. Heading toward the guest bath. Good hanging and shelving space. Oversized bath. Wide vanity, again, lighting framing the mirror. And you have a soaking tub and white tile in the tub surround. 10 North Main has an appealing location, a short walk from the train station, easy access to shopping, dining, an appealing suite of amenities. Definitely want to have it on your must-see list. Head to the building's website to see floor plans and near real-time rent and availability info.